Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to do English subject and in that today we will learn a new topic and that is more A sound words. But before we start a new topic, let's revise our previous topics and that is 80 rhyming words and AN rhyming words. So children, first we will revise 80 rhyming words with action. So get ready. 80 rhyming words. B-A-T bat, C-A-T cat, F-A-T fat, H-A-T hat, M-A-T mat, P-A-T pet, R-A-T rat, S-A-T set. A-N rhyming words. C-A-N can, F-A-N fan, M-A-N man, P-A-N pen, R-A-N ran, V-A-N van. Now children, let's begin our topic more A sound words.
So children, as in previous video you have already learned 80 rhyming words and AN rhyming words. Now it's time to learn more A sound words. Now children, after rhyming words, let's learn more A sound words. Okay? A sound words. Now children, what is this? Yes, it's bag. Now let's pronounce bag. Let's learn the spelling of bag. What is the spelling of bag? B A G bag. B says B, A says A, G says G. B A G bag. B A G bag. The next one. What you can see? Yes, it's cap. Now let's pronounce cap. How to pronounce? C A P cap. C says K, A says A, P says P. K A P cap. C A P cap. Now the next one. What you can see? Yes, it's jam. Now what is the spelling of jam? J A M jam. J says J, A says A, M says M. J A M jam. J A M jam. So children, what is this? Yes, it's jar. You might have seen in your kitchen also. Your mama is using, right? And what is the spelling of jar? J A R jar. J A R jar. J says J, A says A, R says R. J A R jar. Now, yes, here is a face. But the face is happy or sad? Yes, it's sad, right? So, now let's learn and pronounce sad. What is spelling of sad? S A D sad. S says so, A says A, D says D. So, A, D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Here is the picture of a tap. Now, what is the spelling of tap? Yes, T, A, P, tap. T says T, A says A, P says P. T, A, P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Now, the next one, what is this? Yes, it's a tag. Children, जब आप लोग नए नए क्लोथ्स लेके आते हो तब आप ये देखते हो ना? Yes, ये वो टैग है जिसपे प्राइस लिखी होती है. So, what is the spelling of tag? T A G tag. t, A says a, G says g, t, a, g, tag, T, A, G, tag. Now here comes an animal. Yes, it's a yak. It has two horns, saggy hair, and it also looks like a buffalo, and it is seen in cold area like Himalayan region. And what is the spelling of yak? Y A K Y-A-K, yak. Y says ya, A says a, K says k. Ya, a, k. Yak. Y-A-K, yak. Children, do you know in all these words, one letter is common. Can you recognize which letter is that? Yes, letter A. Can you see in all the words, letter A is there. Okay, that is why they are called A sound words.
So kids, this is your ELA book, and in this book open page 1313, and on this page A sound words are given. See, bat, cat, hat, mat, rat, can, fan, man, pan, van, cap, tap, jam, bag, set. Now what you have to do? You have to write 2 times like this way. B A T, bat. B A T, bat. Like this way complete the whole page. Now on next page, page number 1414. On this page one exercise is given here. Exercise is match the words with the picture. Now here first you have to read spelling. See, T-A-P, tap. Now you have to find the picture. Where is tap? Here. So you have to match this spelling with its related picture. Like this way you have to complete the whole page. On next page 1515. Here rhyming words are given here. 80 rhyming words and AN rhyming words. 80 rhyming words are bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, pat, sat, rat. So you have to write 2 times. B A T, bat. B A T, bat. You have complete the whole rhyming words. Now here AN rhyming words. C-A-N, can. Here also you have to write 2 times. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. Same way write 2 times. Now on next page, page number 1616. One exercise is given here. Encircle the correct word and write it. आपको क्या करना है? Yes, which picture is this? Pen. So here 3 words are given here, and you have to find the right word and encircle on the right word. Okay. V-A-N, van, P-A-N, pen, R-A-N, ran. So which is the correct word? Yes, this P-A-N, pen is a correct word. So we will circle on it. And then we will write here P-A-N, pen. Like this way you have to complete the whole exercise. And next page 1717 page, here exercise is fill in the gaps using the correct letter. So which picture is this? Bat. And here is given B-T. So which letter is missing? Yes, A. So we will write here A. B-A-T, bat. Like this way you have to complete the whole page. Okay kids?
Now kids, we will learn how to write more A sound words in the English notebook. Okay? Now first spelling, what is spelling of bag? B A G bag. Now we have to write 5 times. Now leave some space and here we will draw picture of bag. How to draw bag? First make a rectangle. Now from this corner make one slanting line. From this corner make another slanting line and join with sweeping line. Make one curve and you have to make a handle. Now the next spelling is cap. What is spelling of cap? C A P cap. You have to write 5 times and leave some space and here we will draw a picture of a cap. First make a sleeping line, then make an up curve. On top make one small circle and from here make a curve, slanting line, opposite slanting line. This is a picture of cap. Now in the next page we will write spelling of jam. J A M jam. You have to write 5 times. Now we will draw picture of jar of jam. Now first make one standing line, one more standing line, join with sleeping line, on top also join with sleeping line. Then leave some space, make one sleeping line. This is mixed fruit jam, so you have to draw apple and mango. This is picture of jar of jam. Now the next spelling is jar. What is spelling of jar? J A R jar. You have to write 5 times. Now we will draw picture of a jar. First make 2 standing lines, join with sleeping lines. Make one slanting line, opposite slanting line. Make one standing line, join with sleeping line and make small standing lines. This is jar. Now the next spelling is sad. S A D sad. Again you have to write 5 times. Now we will see how to draw sad face. Make one circle, 2 eyes and make a sad face. This is sad. Now we will write spelling of tap. T A P tap. Again you have to write 5 times. Now we will see how to draw picture of tap. Make 2 standing lines, join with sleeping line. 2 standing lines. From here make one sleeping line, leave some space, sleeping line, small U curve, sleeping line. From here make one small curve and come down standing line, curve, standing line, join with sleeping line and make water. This is picture of tap. The next spelling is tag. Now spelling of tag, T A G tag. Now you have to write 5 times and leave some space and here you have to draw picture of tag. First make one big standing line, one more big standing line, join with sleeping line, slanting line, opposite slanting line. Make a small circle and from here make a curve. This is picture of tag. Now the next spelling is yak. What is spelling of yak? Y A K. Yak. You have to write 5 times. And here, how to draw yak? Make one small curve. Make 2 horns, ears. From here make one slanting line, curve, slanting line. From here make one curve, 2 circles and small slanting line. Here you have to make. This is picture of a yak. Children, you also have to write these words and draw its related pictures in your notebook. Okay?